Alright, here's a 10 by 30 we just picked up. What I liked about this was the toolboxes in there, and there is a lot of stuff in this unit. So we'll start going through this and see what we find. We just pulled this big stand-up jewelry cabinet out of the locker. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like a great start. I'm not going to go through it very much here. We've got a poker chip. Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's see. Alright, well, I mean, there's some. That side's empty. There's some stuff in here. Big ring here. There's a class ring here. Don't see any markings on it. Little gold band there, it looks like. Got something in here. Maybe some coins and stuff. Alright, some more odds and ends down in there, big box. I'll go through this stuff when we get back to the store. Alright, here's a big tote. Got some decor on the very top. Looks like we got some old license plates here. These aren't that old, but older-ish. It's kind of cool. Some decor. Hardware. Let's just poke around real quick and see if there's anything exciting in here. Tackle box here, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be empty and very broken. Alright, looks like everything else in here is just like household decor and stuff like that. I'll finish sorting through here, pull out what I can sell. We'll keep going. Got a little box here. Taped up pretty well. Pretty heavy. Don't really know what we're going to find inside. Looks like all kinds of odds and ends. Let's see. If you save dice and other game pieces, you can sell them in lots. Some people buy them for the game pieces, other people buy them for crafts and stuff. It's another way to milk every penny out of these lockers. Little birdhouse there, a little decorative piece that'll sell. Got some flowers here. Oh no, these are vegetables. Spanish variety Hungarian yellow wax peppers. No, those are flowers. Oh, there is. It's like jewelry in here. There is no way I can see. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's like a string of pearls. Looks like fake pearls. Maybe some other stuff in there as well. Oh, here, you can see it through the bottom. There you go. I'm gonna have to break that jar to get that open. We'll do that in a second here. napkin holder. Alright, anything else in here? Flash drive. Some more flowers. Alright, just odds and ends left in that box. I'll finish going through there. And but first I'm going to break open that jar and see what's inside. Alright, I'm back with a hammer. Let's see. Oh, it's going to take a little bit more to break it. Watch your eyes now. Alright. So that's just a string of fake pearls. Yeah. They tried to make them look real though, but they're fake. And another string of fake pearls and beads and stuff, but this one is marked. There's some little markings right there. Let me see if I can read them. Nope. That's just costume jewelry. Alright, well, it's still kind of interesting. Keep going. Got a little tote here. Looks like it's full of dishes and glassware. Nice cut glass piece there. Nothing. It's not even cut glass. Just made to look like it. Some glasses down in there. Alright, that's not going to be anything too exciting. If I find anything in there, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'll just sort through it. We'll keep going. The only thing out of that bucket was these plates. The only thing notable out of that bucket was these plates. Picasso Blue Daisies. So that'll sell. Might look them up on eBay. I don't have very many here. What do I got? 5 plates. If they're not worth selling on eBay, they'll definitely sell out of our store. See what's in this box. Alright. Empty. Oh. Piece of decor. Goodwill sold it for $1.99, or they tried to sell it for $1.99. Got a lamp that's a leg from like the Christmas Story. Just a much smaller version of that. Get these out of here. Alright, what do we got? Big old box here. Let's see. Looks like there's pictures and stuff in there. I'll go through that off camera. Got a little bowl there. Little purse. Coin purse or something? Nothing in. Oh, wait a second. No, there's not. Thought there was like a necklace in there, but there was not. Here's some ammunition, 7.62 by 39. 2 rounds of that. There might be more down in there. Find out here in a second. It's a hinge of a cabinet door. Alright, the big book that looks a little bit out of place. Always check them. You never know, people might hide something in there. Nothing in that one though. Alright, we'll keep going. Got a big old duffel here. It's full of stuff. Let's open it up and see what kind of stuff. Looks like a whole bunch of DVDs and cases. Unfortunately, pretty much all the time when you have DVDs loose like this, they're ruined because they get so damaged. That's unfortunate. Of course, I'll still sort through all this. Let's see if see what I can salvage out of here. Looks like for the most part it's just DVDs and maybe some cords and stuff in there. Alright, I'll go through there. We'll keep going. Got a box here that looks like it has a bunch of PlayStation 3 games in it. See if any of these are actually in there. Well, Minecraft is in there. Earth Defense is in there. Battlefield 3, not in there. World at War, no, it's in there. These aren't worth a whole lot. For the most part. Every once in a while you find one that is a bit more desirable. But for the most part they're just, you know, worth a buck or two. Couple, well, at least one DVD in there as well. Let's see, got a little speaker. I'm not familiar with that brand. It's really heavy though. Got here cast aluminum instruments. Kind of interesting. Oh, I like that. We Don't Call 911. Classy. Oops. Alright, looks like that's it. Oh, look at this. Put that in your mouth. It looks like you got maggots. That's disgusting. Open this one up and see what's inside. It says glasses. I've found some shot glasses already, so maybe there's some more stuff like that in here. Shot glasses tend to sell pretty well. Don't get a lot of money for them, but they sell. Oh my goodness. We have kind of that vintage look to them. These actually sell pretty well, or at least they have in the past. Got a little butter dish here. I have no idea what that is. Oh, I think it's supposed to be like a knife, and I think it's broken. I think that's what that is. Yeah, that's the other part of it. A piece of glass. Here looks like we have an egg. Oh, look at this. Some more of that Mikasa. Feels like these are all cups. I'm guessing they're all the same. broken. Got ribbons and medals in here. And looks like down in here we just have thermoses and other cups. Alright, I'll clean this up and we'll keep going. This little tote here has everything that was in that big jewelry cabinet. I just emptied it into this tote. I haven't gone through it yet, but I'm going to do that now. I'll go through it, I'll sort it, I'll lay it out here on the table, and then I will show you what all is there. Alright, here is everything all sorted out. We'll start over here. This stuff is pretty much just all costume jewelry over here. Nice belt buckle here. That's silver plated. It's not in great shape, but it's kind of a neat piece. But yeah, all the stuff over here is just costume jewelry. Some of it's broken. But over here is the better stuff. We'll start with some of these coins. Well, there was about $1 worth of change, and then some Canadian and other foreign coins there. This is a 22 karat gold leaf $2 bill. The National Collector's Mint $2 gold certificate. And then here is a silver one. Same thing. The silver certificate. Not anything really valuable as far as the coins go. Some Buffalo nickels, Kennedy half here, a couple of wheat pennies, some more foreign coins over here, nothing very valuable again. I got one sterling silver bracelet there. This is a gold filled chain. And locket. The locket is, I think, 1/20th 14 karat gold filled, and then the chain is 12 karat. Silver plated spoon, nothing special there. This is a class ring. It's not gold or silver, but they always sell pretty well for us on eBay. Here we've got another ring. This is just a nice ring. It'll sell well for us. In our store, we've got this little gold band, a 10 karat gold band here, very small. Here's a very tiny little baby ring. It's a 14 karat baby ring. Some silver earrings, a couple of silver pendants. These two silver chains here are broken, but they're sterling silver. Got this nice chain of pearls. They are real pearls with a gold clasp. Very nice. I don't really know the value on those, but I'll have to look into that. This is probably the most interesting find. Probably the most interesting thing I found in this locker so far. But these are, this is from World War II, air crew. Sterling silver pin here. But that's pretty interesting little find. And then one more sterling silver necklace there. Overall, there should be pretty easily a couple $100 here for us. Here's some more items. Just kind of a collection of smalls. Got some knives here. For the most part cheap, except for this. This is a Cutco. Don't know if you can see that in the glare there, but Cutco knife. So I mean that'll be fairly valuable for us on eBay. We got some ammunition, just an assortment, odds and ends, one little partial box of 38 special, and then some 20 gauge slugs. Have this nice weapons light here. Another decent eBay item. Have a little handful of tools that we'll be putting on eBay. A couple of Snap-on pieces and Mac. And then you have all these action figures. We have this backpack full, and then this tote full of these WWE action figures, and then all of these little guys over here. And surprisingly valuable, all these little action figures. I'd say there's probably a couple $100 in value just in the action figures, and then maybe another $150 in value here with this stuff. Really depends on how much we get for the light and the Cutco knife. Those are the two valuable items over here. There wasn't a lot of furniture in there that we could save. There was this table with 6 chairs, that bed frame right back there, and then also this clock was in there. Out of the 2 toolboxes that were in this unit, this is definitely the nicer one, a Matco tool cart here. There really wasn't much in these boxes for tools, but the boxes themselves will sell well. That's going to do it for this unit. It was a pretty good unit for us. Just in that jewelry box, and then a couple boxes of toys will pay for the unit, and then everything else in there was profit. I would say total value here maybe around that $2,000 mark. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my Facebook page as well.